Day one, understanding your empath nature. What being an empath really means. As an empath, you have a heightened ability to sense and absorb the emotions, energy, and even physical sensations of others. This isn't just being sensitive, it's a neurological and psychological difference in how you process the world around you. Empaths often feel drained after social interactions, needing time alone to recharge. You might sense what others are feeling even before they speak. Sometimes you avoid crowded places, sensing overwhelming or negative energy. It's common to absorb others' moods, finding your own emotions shifting to mirror theirs. This can blur emotional boundaries, making it hard to distinguish your feelings from others. You may have been called too sensitive, a common experience for those deeply attuned to energies. The science behind it. Research shows that some people have more active mirror neurons and heightened emotional contagion responses. Your brain is literally wired to feel deeply and connect intensely with others. This is neither good nor bad, it simply is.